boost your fitness, the power of stretching and workout yoga. Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of stretching and workout yoga, a game changer in full body fitness and flexibility. In our hectic lifestyles, stress and stiffness are common. But did you know stretching and workout yoga can be your ultimate solution? Let's explore this further. Stretching is more than just an exercise. It increases flexibility, stimulates blood flow, and preps your body for a rigorous workout regime, ensuring you get the most out of your fitness routine. Workout yoga, on the other hand, is not your traditional yoga. It combines the tranquility of yoga with the intensity of workouts, creating a perfect blend of strength, flexibility, and peace. Imagine starting your day with a series of stretches, easing into your morning. The day's stresses and strains start melting away as flexibility and strength gradually flow into your limbs. Then you transition into your workout yoga, where every pose targets a different muscle group. You're not only working your body, but also creating a balance between your mind and spirit. Perhaps you're thinking, I'm not flexible, I can't do yoga. Well, that's where you're wrong. Yoga is for everyone. And with regular stretching, you'll be surprised at how flexible you can become. If you're a beginner, start simple. Focus on mastering basic poses. As your flexibility increases, so will your capacity to undertake more complex poses and routines. Consistency is key. Make stretching and workout yoga part of your daily life. Within weeks, you'll start noticing changes, not only in your body, but also in your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. The world of stretching and workout yoga waits for you. Start your journey to a healthier, fitter, and more flexible you. In the next video, we'll guide you through a beginner-friendly stretching and workout yoga routine. So subscribe and stay tuned for more fitness inspirations. Stretch, breathe, work out, and find your balance. Welcome to the world of stretching and workout yoga. Let's embark on this journey together, one stretch at a time.